because once you know explain the configuration, you can understand. Right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
First, vendor groups. Now we can ask one important point. Where are vendor groups who will create it? Finance consultant. Customer groups, finance consultant. Okay.
Mm.
Got my point or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Then again, FI, why you explain? I am not explaining FI. FI enterprise structure, MM enterprise structure already done. Now we need to do business partner settings first topic. Because of the business partner settings, vendor settings, and customer. Only 3 points only. Two points only. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to create vendor groups. Where it is created vendor groups, see here. My financial
Um,
account. Accounts receivable and accounts payable. Accounts receivable means customers. Accounts payable means vendors. So now
yeah.
I'm going to click this button. See here, vendor groups, master data, preparation of the creating the master data. Here define account groups with the screen layout for vendors. So I'm going to create for vendor groups. Suppose you're going to the client place, you need to discuss to the client users how many groups required. Maybe he will tell two groups, maybe local groups and the local vendors and foreign vendors. Maybe you're in Canada local, maybe you have foreign means maybe can Australia, maybe UK foreign vendors.
Correct.
So that is the reason I am going to create, sir, example, two groups. I'm going to create here new entries, AD, LV. ADLV means ADB local vendor groups.
Okay.
Same. I am going to create here one vendor group. What is the vendor group name? ADLV local vendor group. I mentioned here ADLV. Now see here, go back. I am going to create one more group. What is the group? Foreign vendor groups.
Mm.
ADFE. Maybe I created here too. Maybe user wanted to
You,
local, foreign, one time, maybe more. You can create.
oh, is it? What are the typical groups you have crossed? Local
Normally,
and
two groups common, local and vendor, foreign vendors.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Other than that, have you seen any more created?
Yeah, yeah, one time vendor, supply,
Okay.
suppliers, like that. I will show to
Mm.
you. Local, ADP, foreign vendor groups. See here, data was saved. ADF, ADF. You created one group or two groups or only one transport request number, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So I created two groups. I'm going to create number ranges, two number ranges. Create number ranges for vendor accounts.
Okay.
You created three groups, three number range. One group, one number range.
Okay, got it.
So here, what is the interval available? We need to check
Mm.
here. What is the number available? We need to check. Here, people are maintained so many things. Maybe otherwise, what we'll do? So many people is maintained here.
Okay, makes sense.
I deleted this unnecessary things. Zero things I can delete it. So now you can take here what is the number available we need to check here. So see here, if 1, 2, 3 is not there, 3, 4 is not there, which series available? See here, maybe 1 to 100, 101 to 200, 201
Correct.
to 300 I am going to take.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 is not there. How to create here? Go inside.
Yeah.
3 and 4 I am going to take. First I am going to take 3, maybe 101 to 200.
Yeah. For local.
Hmm. Specify interval without overlap. Already is there. Already is there. 200 is here. Already is there. What we'll do here? 300 also there. 350 there. 400 I am going to take 400 to 400 to. Otherwise, what we'll do? This kind of problem is you can use registering number. It's not
Or
issue.
you can use 400 to 450. You can do that,
400.
no? Just
So
for
yeah. Yeah,
450.
I will take 400 to 500. If system will take or not. Yeah, he's taking. What is the number? 3. Again, I am going to create here. See here. Insert 4. 501 to 600. Okay.
But how will the system know that it is for vendor, local vendor and foreign vendor?
We need to assign. No, don't worry. I will explain. Don't worry. Second step, I am explaining what is the number. Create number ranges. Correct.
Yeah.
Number ranges. Because one important point I will tell you, any number ranges, there is no transport request number. Any idea?
Uh,
Reason is we need to do
because
three
it's a
servers. When implementation time, we need to do 3 servers. Development you can do, quality we can do, product. Because reason is you are maintained here, see here, 500.
yeah.
Maybe after the supporting project, users will create so many vendors, 500 class. That time who will sitting the support consultant? User will asking to the user asking mail, user sending mail to you. I need extendable to the number ranges. That is the reason any supporting time, any number ranges wanted to extendable, we can directly configure to the production server. Got my point?
Okay.
Reason, that is the reason number ranges, not only this module, MM, FI, SD, PM, any module, number ranges, there is no TRN, transport request number. Without transport request number, your configuration move to development to quality. How can move forward number range? That is the reason we need to do development, we need to do production, we need to do quality in the implementation rollout time. Clear my point?
Yeah.
Why is the created 3 servers, Govardhan?
3 servers because it's a like one is a testing, one is production, right? And
We are
you.
configure development number ranges, we are configure quality number ranges, we are configure production. What is the purpose of we are doing 3 servers? Number ranges?
So we can test it accordingly.
Not
By
testing,
the
because we are number ranges created. When you save, there
It's
is
a
no TR.
difference. No, there are different servers. We cannot have one number range for 3 servers, right? We have to keep 3 separate.
So that is the reason. What is the number ranges we are maintained here? 3, 4. Correct?
What is 3 4? The serial number?
That we, 3, 4,
What is 3 4? 34.
here 3, 4, 3, 4 number.
Ah, okay, that's what you meant. Okay, got you.
Reason is you are asking question and next coming to this point here. See here, I created 3 groups, 2 groups, 2 number ranges, assign number ranges to vendor groups. See here. What is the number? What is the groups you created? AD.
Yeah, we created 2. One is local and one is foreign.
Where it is located, you can check here.
We can do position and search.
Hmm.
Who's the best?
has deleted some numbers, na? Here also somebody, oh, see here, what is the number? A. See here, coming to the,
ADLV.
now, this, you need to assign to the 3 and 4. Got my point?
Mm-hmm.
We created two groups, two number ranges, two assignment of the number ranges. Assign number ranges to vendor groups. Clear?
Yeah. Now we have
Yeah.
to do the same thing for customer, right?
Same, that's all, same. That's all.
Mm.
These are all interlinked, correct? Compulsory, each
Mm.
point required. Okay? I created here number ranges, create groups, number ranges, assignment. Now go to the customers. How do you go to the customers? I am go to this path now. Customers.
Mm.
Master data, preparation of the customer, define first customer. Now I maintain to the Excel sheet here, customer.
This is under enterprise structure or it's in the finance? This
No,
whole this.
no, oh no, not enterprise, financial accounting. Enterprise,
Okay,
not
financial accounting.
enterprise structure done. Everything is done. Logistics side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Financial accounting, you have to go into account receivable,
Hmm.
customer account, master data, and then okay.
So now same thing. You are going to create maybe AD
C,
local customer.
LC, ADLC.
DB local customer groups very carefully. Okay.
Hmm.
One group under so many customers, one group under so many customers. So say,
Hmm.
think practically always, okay, as a
Yeah, yeah.
consultant.
Now, till now, I'm understanding everything. I know
Especially
why you're doing this.
hmm, create customer groups. So how many groups created? Two, AD,
Hmm.
FC, ADB, foreign customer. That was saved. How many groups created? AD, FC, AD,
Hmm.
Done. So based on the two groups, we need to create two number ranges. Two number ranges. So go to interval. What is the number available? We need to check here. Maybe 7, 8, 9 not there. I am going to create 8, 9. 8, 9. What is the series available here? 3000 to 3099. Maybe 4000 to 4099. 5000 to 5000 not there. I am going to
Hmm.
create like that. Okay.
Okay.
6, 7 is there. Now I am going to create here insert 8 and 9.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, okay.
4000 to 4009. Save. That was saved. Now again go to 8. 8, 8 already is at 9. 5000 to changes were saved. How many number ranges you created? 2, 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Create number range. 8 and 9. So now what is the third step?
Assign.
We need to assign number ranges 8 and 9. What is the this one here? This is the thing.
LC, yes. FC and LC.
Say
Assign number range.
kindly let me know what is the vendor groups, customer groups. He will send mail to you directly.
Okay, got you.
Other modules, any information, implementation time, rollout time, you cannot do any configuration. You drop a mail to the other consultant, CC to project manager. He will provide the information. He will drop a mail to you. You will provide to the PM information like that.
Okay, got it. Got it. Makes sense.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, business partner settings. See here, entire path is entirely different. Go back. Here, cross application components. See here carefully. Cross application components. Here, business partner in this place here. Business partner.
Mm.
Now, business partner basic setting. See here, business partner roles. We need to create business partner roles. DP roles. First point. See here, business partner role standard thing is there. Business partner is the customer, business partner is the vendor here. So some standard things is there. See here, I will show to you. See here, business partner, some standard things is there. See here, customer financial accounting, customer financial accounting, in supplier, vendor financial accounting. I need to create two business partner roles. What is the roles we need to copy normally? I will tell you. See here in this place. What we'll do, your business partner is vendor here in this place, this one, and where is the customer? See here, customer, this is the business partner, and this is the vendor. Vendor. See here, vendor. Now what we'll do here, I'm going to select this one. Okay,
Who has created this?
SAP
FI
is
consult.
SAP is already provided. SAP is
Oh,
already.
okay.
Okay, SAP standard things some provided. What we'll do, select that one, copy. We need to change for maybe ADBC. ADBC customer. Okay, ADBC. Enter.
ADBC. Where did we get that? ADBC. I didn't get that.
I will give the name. I will give the name.
This
I
is just a
remember.
name, right?
Yeah. Save. So define BP roles. Define BP roles. Business partner roles. BP roles means okay.
Yeah, okay.
So again, I am going to create vendor. Correct? Vendor. What is the vendor? Is the see here in this place standard one. What is the vendor? Business partner for vendor. This one select, copy. Maybe I am going to give here maybe ADB B. Okay.
Okay.
I will take the naming convention. Any naming convention. Okay. Clear.
Yeah.
Two business partner.
Business partner roles.
ADBC, ADBB. ADBC, ADBC. You need to mention Excel sheet. Okay. ADBC and ADB. Fine. Customer and vendor. Here after that here what will do next step? Select.
Grouping. Yeah.
Select customer. Now after that we are going to create here number ranges and grouping. See here number range. Go to click this button. Define number. Define number. Go to interval. We need to create two number ranges, customer and vendor. Okay. How many business partner roles created? Customer one, vendor one. Correct?
No, I don't understand why we need to create a range here for because we already created vendor and
that is vendor. That is vendor. This is the business partner.
business part. I don't understand. What's the difference between business partner and they can also be a business partner?
Old version, customer is the customer, vendor is the vendor. Now S4 HANA, whatever the customers, nothing but business partner. Whatever the vendors, nothing but business partner. When you create the business partner is the organization. One second.
Okay. Now I get it. So this business partner is from the S4 HANA ways, right? So in the new world, you create whether it's a vendor or a customer, you do it in business partner, and it will update the tables for in the older version also, right?
Yes.
Okay, got you.
We need to create two number ranges. Where it is the number ranges? What is the number available? We need to check first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So that means the
1 second. 20 is not there. 20. 21. 22, 23 is not there.
Okay, but Veera, question. Now you're going to create, let's say you're going to create a customer and business partner, right? This number will say 1, 2, 3. Okay, based on what you're setting here. But when it writes into the old database where they have vendor and customer, there they have their own file ranges, right?
No, 1 second. Yes, tell me. What do you want exactly?
Okay. Now,
first we create the vendor groups, customer groups, number ranges, assignment. That is done, correct? Now we are done for business partnership, correct? You can understand. Wait for another 3-4 points. Okay. You will understand. I will tell you. I know what you are raising the point. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23 is not there. Okay. I am going to take here maybe 22. Insert here. 22. It will do. We need to create here. We need to use existing number. Any number you can use. Okay. $25 is there. 26, 27 not there. I am going to 26 and 27. But what is the interval available? That is important. Maybe 5112, 522, 533 to 5. 26, 27.
Yeah.
26, 27. 5112. Why is problem happen? You understand this point?
They were all entered all incorrect data, right?
That is the people are when you do something wrongly assigned, they are not doing properly. You need to delete that. You need to rectify that one first. Okay, now problem solved. Now what we'll do? Go to new entries. What is our grouping here? Vendors, correct? ADB.
Vendors, yes.
ADB here, vendors. I'm going to take vendors first. What is the grouping? Either you need to take ADB local or pharma. I'm going to take local only. Enter now. Now he's taking now save. Previous request number not asking. I need to do that like that. Okay. Define number ranges direction DB to customer. Define number ranges direction. Once complete, I will explain one more time. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You will understand.
Okay.
It's not a conflict. After configuration, how to create business partner is a vendor, how to create customer, I will show to you. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm taking here vendors, but go back. What is the path here? See, very carefully see my path. Cross up master data synchronization. See here. So many paths is there. Synchronization control, customer vendor integration, settings for vendor integration, assignment key, define number assignment for direction DB to vendor. We need to go for customer. Where it will go for customer? See here in this place. This is the settings for customer integration. Now go to customer integration, field assignment for customer integration, assignment key, here customer. Okay.
Mhm.
Now go to new entries. What is the grouping your customer? ADB customer. Right?
Mhm.
Here ADB customer. What is the account group here in this place? ADB local customer. Now understand what is the business partner grouping, what is the vendor grouping, what is the business partner customer grouping, what is the customer grouping. We need to mapping somewhere, correct? This is called define number assignment for direction DB to customer. Define number assignment for direction DB to customer. And here, now one more time we will explain very clearly understand. The vendor. Now I'll come to the point here. Now what I am explaining, sir, here.
Mm-hmm.
First, I am going to do for business partner settings in the transport management. Right?
Yeah.
So whenever do the business partner settings, first what is the settings required?
You have set up
Vendors,
the groups.
vendor groups and customer groups. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
We created vendor groups to, created customer groups to, number ranges to, assignment. Both will done.
Correct.
Correct?
This is clear. Yeah. This is clear.
Now, business partner roles created. So how many roles require customers and vendors? Correct?
Correct. Two. Again two.
That is
Yes.
one point. Then he created number ranges for when what you are creating the roles in customer center, we need to create two number ranges.
Mm-hmm.
Is clear or not?
This is clear. But my question was, now when you create customers under BP, it also writes into the table in the older version, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So when
Absolutely.
it
Because
writes,
when we write
the
the table,
numbers will be
no,
different, no? Because here you have
listen,
different.
listen first. Here, this is the ECC created, correct?
Correct. Yeah. ECC
Yeah,
created, and
business
this
partner
is
created. We need to assignment to business partner and vendor groups. Here, we need to assign to customer, business partner, and customer groups. Both will assignment, correct?
Hmm.
So what will happen? What we are creating. Okay, now problem solved. Now what we'll do? Go to new entries. What is our grouping here? Vendors, correct? ADB.
vendors. Yes.
ADB here, vendors. I'm going to take vendors first. What is the grouping? Either you need to take ADB local or form. I'm going to take local only. Enter now. Now he's taking now save. Previous request number not asking. I need to do that like that. Okay. Define number ranges direction DB to customer. Define number ranges direction. Once complete, I will explain one more time. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You will understand.
Okay.
It's not a conflict. After configuration, how to create business partner is a vendor, how to create customer, I will show to you. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm taking here vendors, but go back. What is the path here? See, very carefully see my path. Cross up master data synchronization. See here. So many paths is there. Synchronization control, customer vendor integration, settings for vendor integration, assignment key, define number assignment for direction DB to vendor. We need to go for customer. Where it will go for customer? See here in this place. This is the settings for customer integration now. Go to customer integration, field assignment for customer integration, assignment key, here customer. Okay.
Mhm.
Now go to new entries. What is the grouping your customer? ADB customer. Right?
Mhm.
Here ADB customer. What is the account group here in this place? ADB local customer. Now understand what is the business partner grouping, what is the vendor grouping, what is the business partner customer grouping, what is the customer grouping. We need to mapping somewhere, correct? This is called define number assignment for direction DB to customer. Define number assignment for direction DB to customer. And here, and one more time we will explain very clearly understand. The vendor. Now I'll come to the point here. Now what I am explaining, sir, here.
Mm-hmm.
First, I'm going to do for business partner settings in the transport management.
Yeah.
So when I do the business partner settings, first what is the settings required?
You have set up
Vendors,
the groups.
vendor groups and customer groups. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
We created vendor groups to created customer groups to number ranges to assignment. Both will done.
Correct.
Correct?
This is clear. Yeah. This is
Ah,
clear.
now business partner roles created. How many roles require customers and vendors? Correct?
Correct. Two. Again two.
That is
Yes.
one point. That then he created number ranges for when what you are creating the roles in customer center, we need to create two number ranges.
Mm-hmm.
This clear or not?
This is clear. But my question was now when you create customers under BP, it
Hmm.
also writes into the table in the older version, right?
Absolutely, absolutely,
So when
absolutely.
it
Because
writes,
when we write
the
the tables,
numbers will
no,
be
no,
the numbers will be different, no? Because here you have
listen,
different.
listen first. This is the ECC created, correct?
Correct. Yeah. ECC
Here,
created, and
business
this
partner
is
created. We need to assignment to business partner and vendor groups. Here, we need to assign to customer, business partner, and customer groups. Both will assign. Correct?
mm,
So what will happen? What we are creating the business partners groupings and what we are creating the vendor customer both will link it somewhere. This place will link. And you are asking the question, Veera, you created the number ranges, Veera, here. Why are creating again business partner? Table
yeah.
will retrieving the tables. Retrieving the table.
What is it? Come again?
Tables, checking the tables, na? Correct?
Uh-huh.
Vendors, customer tables, KNA1 and LFA1 vendor tables, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
When you creating the business partner number ranges, why you are creating Vera? New business partner is different, customer is vendor groups is different. But when you go to the S4 HANA, business customer is nothing but business partner. Vendor is
Okay.
nothing but business partner.
Okay. That is clear. So what you're saying is in this new world, S4 HANA, let's say the customer name is IBM. It will have
Hmm.
a account number for IBM as a customer 1234
Hmm.
in S4 HANA. But in the ERP world, the same customer will have 45678, right?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
No, the thing is why SAP didn't keep the same account number even in ECC. That is
Because
my question.
nothing but vendor is the
It's how
business
it's been designed.
nothing but same. Whatever ECC vendor is called in S4 HANA business partner vendor.
Okay, okay.
What are the ECC vendors, customers, S4HANA called? Business partner vendor, business partner customer.
Mm-hmm.
Because the latest point, ECC you create
Okay, okay.
directly customers vendors. But when you go to S4HANA, any implementation or SD or MM, SD
Mm-hmm.
or MM, customers is nothing but business partner, vendor is nothing but business partner. Reason is when you implement for S4HANA, business partner topic is enter the picture. That is the reason links to the business partner to customer, links to the business partner to the vendor.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when you create customer vendor, then you can understand more clear. Don't worry. Master data I created.